How to fix Windows 11 or 10 keeps freezing and logging randomly. So this is a common frustration and it usually comes down to drivers, background processes, corrupted files, or hardware issues. And here's a clear guide on how you can fix it. So first is to update your drivers. Outdated or faulty drivers, especially graphics, chipset, and network can cause freezes. So click on WinX on your keyboard and then select Device Manager from here. And then on your device manager, go ahead and right click on each driver and then click on update driver. Or download the latest drivers from your PC manufacturer's support site. Second is to check for Windows Update. So go ahead and open settings on your device. And then from here, go ahead and head over to the Windows Update tab. And then click on the check for updates button at the right side. So install all pending updates. Many stability fixes are included in patches. And third is to disable startup programs. So click on Control Shift Escape on your keyboard and then you'll be able to open the task manager. So on the task manager, go ahead and head over into the startup tab. So go ahead and look for that. You can find that once you hover your mouse into the left sidebar. So from here, go ahead and disable unnecessary apps that launch its startup. This reduces background load and lag. So to disable that, you need to right click on it and click on disable. And that is how you can basically fix Windows 11 or 10 keeps freezing and logging randomly.